To say I'm sick of winter would be an understatement. So if spring won't come outside, I'm going to start bringing it inside. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Diva Den. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a Clean With Me and Decorate for Spring invite, which is being hosted by Kristen from Kristen's Chaotic Life and Drea from Clueless Mama D. And I will be sure to leave the link to both these beautiful ladies' channels below, as well as the link to the playlist for this invite. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of great ideas for spring. I'm going to be starting off in my dining room here. I'm not doing a very deep cleaning for spring just yet. As you saw in the intro, we are still inundated with a ton of snow. But I just wanted to start doing a few little things just to bring a little touch of spring into the house. I am so over winter. So that's what I'm going to start doing here. So now I'm going to put away a few things that I've had up since Christmas time, and I usually use those in the fall. Those two flower things I've had for years, and I'm kind of over them now. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. And now I'm just going to place on my pretty table runner, which is a blue and white, and it's just light and airy. And then I found this beautiful little turquoise dish at my local HomeSense, and it was a perfect blue for springtime, I thought, and perfect blue for this area. But looking at it, it is a little small. I'll probably have to add to it. I'm just not ready for the Easter stuff, the Easter eggs and bunnies yet. And here I had gone to my local dollar store and I found these beautiful little vases in a nice little tint of blue and some white flowers, and I thought they might be a nice little addition to my dining room. Now, in order to make the flowers stand up, I just covered the top with some scotch tape and just left a little hole so that the flowers stand up a little better and not completely flop over. And then I'll go put them in the dining room on my buffet side table. I love the way these little vases turned out with the white flowers and a little touch of blue on the glass. I just thought that it looked so fresh and clean and added a really nice touch of spring to this area. And now I'm going to move into my kitchen. So now I'm in my kitchen and I'm just going to give the countertops a quick wipe down. I had just done a deep clean of my kitchen a couple of days earlier, but you know, countertops and a kitchen, no matter how many people live in your house, there's always crumbs and stuff to pick up. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scent. I love this scent. It just makes everything smell so nice. So until I use it up, I won't buy anything else just yet. Now here are some pretty dishes again I found at HomeSense, and I'm going to replace my kind of fall everyday decor ones with these white floral ones. I just think they're going to bring in a nice little touch of spring to this area and just freshen it up here. And that's all I'm going to do in this part of the kitchen. I absolutely love lavender. I love the look of it. I love the smell of it. So when I was at the dollar store, I picked up some bushes of these lavender picks. And I thought, you know what? I have these little jars and this little tin. I'm just going to make a quick little arrangement. I wasn't sure where I was going to use this in the house just yet, but this screams spring to me. So I got it ready and I thought, it's here. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I'll find a spot for it. Now I'm moving into the main floor guest powder room, and again I'm going to give it a wipe down. I had done this not too long ago, so I'm just going to use some Lysol wipes to wipe down the countertops and the sink and the toilet, and of course some Lysol to clean out the toilet bowl. Okay, so if you have watched some of my other cleaning videos, you will have seen this before, but for those of you that are new, yes, my toilet seat lifts off. My husband, a few years ago, God bless him, found these toilet seats at our local hardware store, and they clip on and off, and it makes cleaning a toilet a breeze. I can't imagine now cleaning a toilet any other way. It just lifts off and you can clean the whole toilet in no time. It was one of the best buys he's ever done.
Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now.
These beautiful shelves were made by my daughter's boyfriend, and he gave them to me because he knew how much I loved this look, and they are really, really beautiful. I'm very happy with them. But I don't know about you guys. Do you guys have this issue? I have such a hard time styling shelves, and these, although they're beautiful shelves, I absolutely love them. I have such a hard time styling them. But this is where I decided to put the lavender little pots in here in the tin dish, as you can see. But I can tell you, since this video was made, these shelves have been changed up a few times. Now we're going to move into my living room, which is just off my kitchen and hallway. And there isn't a lot to change in here, but I'm just going to give it a quick tidy up and a dust because, again, this area had been done not too long ago. But there are a few little things I am going to change up for spring in here.
Doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Now I'm just going to replace the fur throw for a pillow that brings in more of that touch of spring that I want in this room.
4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow.
I love this blanket ladder, and I actually made it myself. I'll leave a link to that video in a card up above. But now I'm just going to take off the winter blanket and change it up for my springtime blankets. These colors are much more suited for spring, and I love the way they look on this. In my tray on my coffee table in my living room, I'm just going to add these little white flowers just to brighten the area up. And then I'm going to move to my entryway table, give it a quick dust, and change up a few little things to bring in a touch of spring here.
Everything is wrong. you feel like it's your fault, just remember I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you.
And there you go, just a quick clean up in the house and changing up a few accessories have really made it feel not so much wintertime-ish in the house. It feels a little bit more springish. I love the way the white flowers and the blue glass is playing off everything. It just gives it a much fresher feel in the house. And my husband even noticed too, so that's a bonus. But I want to thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope that if you liked this video, you'll think about giving it a thumbs up. And if you're new, you'll think about subscribing. And don't forget to check out the playlist below. I'm sure there's going to be fabulous videos. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, everyone.